Okay, in this screencast, we're going to overview the assignment for Docs in Game of Chrome while learning some of the features of Google Docs. And, as you can see, Google Docs is something that looks pretty similar to, Microsoft Word if you've used that. It is a word processing program, but it does more. It's collaborative. You can share and work on a document at the doing like a group project. You can make comments. You can publish it on the web. You can access. This is shared to your drive, so you can access it anywhere. It can be, emailed very easily. You can insert links, all kinds of stuff. But most of the time, you're using it as like a word processing program. So, as you'll see, you'll name documents up here. Okay, this little folder allows you to move it to different places in your drive where you want to save it. You can insert all kinds of things: images, links, drawing, tables. One of my favorite tools is the research tool. So if I select research, you'll see that I think the word do, since it's selected, it'll research the word do, and you can change that up to images and everything else. But we'll use that another time. But it's a cool tool instead of having to open a new tab and do searches. You'll notice that there's a toolbar all along the top to change the font and size and bolding and alignment here. This is how you center a line, left align, right align. If you click more, you'll see bulleted lists and things like that. Okay, and you can play with that and explore what it has. But we're doing, and what we will do a lot, is make a copy. You're going to be asked to edit this paragraph down here to fix it using the tools, but you cannot do that unless you make a copy of it. Okay, because this is not set for you to edit. So what you're going to do is go to File, Make a Copy. And when you make a copy, it's going to give you your own copy. So let's make a copy, and we're going to rename it. So it doesn't say copy of whatever. I've actually given you the instructions on what to name it. And our naming convention in this class usually always starts with our period number, the name of an assignment. So let's just say, let's say assignment. I forget what we say in the instructions, and then usually it's like your last name. Okay, so that's the naming convention we usually use, and we're going to say OK, and it will create our copy that we can work on. So I'm going to close that out. You're naming it, for Docs and your last name. Okay. When you edit, some other tools that you have spelling check. You can right click on things, using the 2-finger touch or click on that we learned about the other day, and you can work with it. The other thing you'll be asked to do today and other times is to create a new document. And that's simple. You just go to File, New, and Document. Okay, and if you create a document, you want to make sure it's in your shared folder so it's turned in, you can always click on the folder button icon, and I can see that this is in technology. So I want to reorganize it, find my global studies folder, and make sure it's saved in there. So there's my 3 rays, maybe even get more specific, my Google intro, and move it there. Okay, and that is it. That's what you're working on. Good luck with this challenge, and make sure you get it done today. Thank you.